Family best time. Ready for Hot Bulalo.
Kabilang yun.
It's too dark, no?
Awful.
Shortcut?
Maybe long cut.
Long cut. It's a shortcut, not a long cut.
No lights or anything like
It's still new then. It's just opened a month ago.
Oh, you were
no.
cut off a long time?
Yeah. Yes, there's so many
Claras.
restaurants.
Yeah.
This one is famous then.
Yung narinig mo sa boses na Bernard yung pag-ibig.
Liesels.
Please.
Ah, of course.
Ito na, nagbablog na siya.
Oh, sige na na. Ay! 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 Ano ba yan?
Hindi nakalak yun.
Relax ka lang, may ako nag-drive.
Jayaw, eh?
Dad?
Wala for you.
Uy, hindi nakalak sa ano, baba. Alin? Upuan. Ano, Piolo?
Ano ba yan?
Ala, umangat ka, Piolo.
Welcome to Tagaytay. We are here to buy French fries.
Have you heard mommy, dad?
Oh,
So,
she makes such a fuss.
yeah, so we can now wonder if she's the one
Our
driving.
first time at Hill Barn. Ganda na sasakyan, no? I think they will like it. This is the very entrance of Hill Barn Cafe and Restaurant.
Sabi ko sa yung bulalo ko.
Ito yun.
Ayan, no?
Doon sa kabila yung malaki.
Ah,
Marben's yun eh.
Hindi, yung doon sa kabila yung pa...
oh, ano naman to?
Yung overview.
Oh,
Yun yung sinasabi ko sa yung bulalo point.
hindi ito?
Saan tayo?
Eh, bet, sige na, kung wala kung konti lang naman dyan, pwede na dyan.
Ay, gusto mo dun eh. Gusto mo dun.
Oh,
Dun
balik,
tayo.
balik tayo, balik.
Hindi, kasi mas maganda yung view doon.
Oo nga, gusto na.
Sabi ni Jacqueline, dun daw tayo.
Oh, doon tayo.
Wrong way, yeah?
No, dad. You watch the other restaurant.
Because the ambience that is good.
Ano ba yan?
Ay, sus.
Ano ba yan?
Sa dito, parang kulog.
Welcome to Tagaytay
City
City.
jail. Oh my God.
Kasi alam mo yung
Ano pa ano? Welcome to Bulalo Point. So our family is here for another night out with my husband and with Piolo. Joy, kasama namin si Piolo. Sister Tiana, kasama si Piolo, nalalamig na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Whoop.
This is a typical wine.
Are we getting in now, Han? Lamig. Ah, it's very cold in here. Han?
Menus at Bulalo Point.
And then in here, Sizzlers steak from Bulalo Point.
So gotta wait for the chip.
Bulalo at ano, tawili sa akin.
meron na.
Ano mo? Sabi ko ba yung isa pa?
Favorites? Ensaladang ampalaya. Ensaladang talong. Oh, they have ensaladang talong. Beverage. Double special. May fruit shake.
Mag-define glass.
Ano yun eh?
Akin na yun, akin na. Ito sa'yo yung sa...
Sabi baka madali mo ha.
Will you have some chocolate? Hot chocolate? Huh? Sure?
Yes po. Old soul po ni Tita Jan.
They are ready.
Should I put it on my bag?
So,
Inside?
papa.
Kaya niya magpa-picture na.
Yes.
Camera, and we have food already. This is bulalo. Good.
So full.
Ayun. You sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ay, nahulog yun.
Tawa ng tawa.
Sing pa, sing pa, sing pa. You sing, you sing.
Happy birthday.
Si Vince Kayla, Vince Kayla. Happy birthday.
Mandala. Boses ni Bea.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Parang damay ba? Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yung anak natin sa baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark na, baby shark. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya, ayaw niya. Ate sa may iba daw, iba. Ano?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayaw.
Happy year.
Happy year. Ay, wala na.
Baka malaglag.
Happy birthday.
Stinking. Toilet, John. Yeah. Fucking toilet.
Meron ako dito.
Ako lang tingnan niyo dun.
Hindi, yung part nilang portion, yung part ng doon.
Ay, bulalo.
Kaon, sister, kaon.
Do you like it, Han? Do you like it? Bulalo sa Willis.
Kaya ako napunta sa kanina para
We're done. Are you full? Is Tommy full? Really?
I have gummy.
What about the popcorn already?
Yeah. So we're done. All tummies are full, satisfied, and we're about to go home.
Long ride home.
Long ride, yeah.
Stand up, stand up.
Stand up.
Yay! Tumayo kang maayos, Sam.
Ayun.
Kayla, Kayla, look at mommy. Bea!
Bea!
Kayla, Kayla.
Bea!
Kayla, Kayla, Kayla.
Bea!
Kayla, Bea.
1, 2,
Kayla.
3.
Bea, dito. Medyo lapit ka sa kanila, Sam. Wala na. Tayo na.
Wala na.
Ready? Thank you. Bulalo Point. Oh, sarap. Busog na busog. Ready to go home na dahil mga busog na lahat. So,